Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while. I'm sorry, not that anybody really cares, but I decided that today I'm going to do this look using the one and only Blue Blood palette. Since my hair is blue, I thought I would do that for you guys today. This is the final look. Yeah, so if you guys are interested, then keep on watching. First, I'll be going in with my L'Oreal Paris Infallible Full Wear Concealer. Taking my Blue Blood palette, I'll first be taking the color Mint Tea and blending that into my inner and outer eye. Now I'm going to be taking the color labeled I'm Cold and putting that right below the Mint Tea color and into my crease just to darken it up. For some depth, I'll be taking the color Flourishing and putting that in my inner and outer corner of my eye. To cut my crease, I'll be using my Infallible Full Wear Concealer again. To darken up where I put the color Flourishing, I'm just going to apply some more of that. With the color labeled Cullinan, I'm going to apply that right in the middle of my lid to give it some shimmer and shine. I'm going to go ahead and take the color Blue Blood and use that as my transitioning color. With my Maybelline New York Master Precise ink in the color Teal Galaxy, I'm going to be lining where I cut my crease. I'm going in with the color Cullinan again for my brow bone. For my foundation today, I'm using my Neutrogena Micro Clear foundation in the color Nude 40. For my lower lash line, I'll be taking the color Flourishing and just blending that out. Now I'm taking the color Blue Blood and putting that right below the color Flourishing on my lower lash line. And just below the color Blue Blood, I'm going to apply Mint Tea. Again, with my Infallible Full Wear Concealer, I'm going to take this and conceal and correct my face under my eyes, my forehead, and my chin. Today I'm taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Cream Kit with the color Light Sculpt and applying that just below my cheekbones and right on my forehead for some depth, and I'm going to just blend that out really well. For my blush, I'm taking the color Nectarine and applying that to the apples of my cheeks. For my glow today, I'm taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills Aurora Glow Kit in the color Orion and taking the color Cullinan from the Blue Blood palette and mixing those together. For my waterline, I'm taking my Kokie Velvet Smooth Eyeliner in the color Bright Blue. Going into my eyebrows, I'm taking my Billion Dollar Brows. I can't seem to find the color shade on here, so it's just a dark brown, medium brown color, I guess you could say. For my tear duct, I'm taking the color Cullinan. For my fake lashes, I'm using my Kiss eyelashes in number 11 and using the Falsies mascara to mix those together. I'm using my Katy Kat matte lipstick today in the color labeled Sphinx. So this is the final look, everybody. I hope you enjoyed my video. Like, share, subscribe, comment, whatever you feel like doing. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys later.